Good morning, students. In the subject IT application and retail, I'm going to start the first unit today. The first unit comprises of retail and technology. In this unit, we will be covering this topics like technology and retail, fundamentals of computer, information and its application, including retail business, future of IT in retail, retail management information system, database management system, network and telecommunication, and benefits of IT in retail. फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स में हम लोग कवर करेंगे मीनिंग्स, कंपोनेंट्स, यूजेस ऑफ कंप्यूटर, features and functions of computer, concepts of IT, various elements of IT, uses of IT in retail business, and future of IT in retail. Word computer means to compute or to calculate. Computer is an electronic device which processes the information on the basis of instruction provided to it by the users. It cannot provide any information to the users automatically. It processes the information based on the instructions provided. Data can be of any type: text, numeric, alphanumeric, image, picture, sound, etc. The instructions that act upon this data are also called program or software in computer terminology. Moving down to the next slide, you can see the features and characteristics functions of the computer system. It has high speed, accuracy, diligence, versatile, permanent storage capacity, no IQ, that is the intelligent quotient, no EQ, that is emotional quotient. Components of the computer, that is basic computer structure, you can see here: input unit, central processing unit, and output unit. Input unit comprises of keyboards and mouse. Central processing unit comprises of memory unit, arithmetic logic unit, and control unit. And the output unit comprises of the desktop. Input unit, computer processes the data as per the instructions given by the user. Data and instructions given by the users are generally human readable language, that is the simple English language. Input unit receives the instructions and data in a form that can be understood by the computer. Data and instructions are given to the computer with the help of input devices like keyboard, mouse, floppy disk, and pen drive. CPU, the middle portion after the input has been given, input data travels to the CPU unit, which is the heart and mind of the computer system and comprises of ALU, MU, and CU. Memory unit receives all the instructions from the users and send it to its arithmetic logic unit to process and further receives the processed results from ALU. ALU receives the data and the instructions from the memory unit of the computer system and performs all the calculations and comparisons like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Output data, which is processed by ALU and stored in the memory unit of the computer system, is sent to the output unit. Output unit converts this data into a form that can be understood by the user. Now, this computer system comprises mainly of the two components, that is the hardware. Hardware comprises of input devices like keyboard and mouse, processing devices, that is CPU, and output devices like monitor and printer and hard disk, floppy disk, etc. And the second component is software, the set of instructions which helps with the help of which computer processes the user data is known as software. Software can be classified into two categories: system software and the application software. Now coming down to introduction to IT. Here we complete the computer system, which comprises of hardware, software, and whatever used in retail. Okay? Then we will give you the introduction to the information technology. Information technology is the convergence of various hardware, software, telecommunication network, multimedia images, internet applications, and people. Technology is any such tool that reduces the human efforts and makes it easy to perform any task which requires more physical and mental efforts. Applications of information technology, it is used in various areas, science and engineering, comprising of computer-aided designs and computer-aided manufacturing programs, have helped in producing improved products in many fields. In business and commerce, IT is used by business houses for keeping and managing business and financial records. IT is used in business functions like billing customers, receiving payments, and controlling inventory. In the education sector today, the most of the education programs are giving a due space to computer education, and computer education has become an essential course at the various levels of the study across the world. IT in retail. Now you have seen the applications of IT, and now in retail business, how it has made the changes. Retail business cannot be smoothly and successfully run without the proper usage of IT, because present-day customer is not just satisfied with the product and its price, but he also seeks complete ease, convenience, and comfort at and outside retail store to make purchases. In the current context, technology is a set of tools that aggregates data, processes data to provide programmed output, allowing the individuals to take business decisions in order to meet a specific market demand and customer expectations. Retailer could collect all the sales bills data and understand the buying pattern of a specific geographical location and ensure that the merchandise in the store meets customer demand, thereby reducing lost sale. Technology that meets the needs of aggregating the data, processing the data based on a software program, provides an ease output report for taking decisions, will fall under the purview of information technology. A simple traffic signal at the crossroad junction is also a piece of technology. Traffic color, red, amber, and green is the piece of data that gets shown to the driver who takes decision to stop, move ahead, or take a turn. Information technology in retail. Technology does the same for retailers' business users. It provides the guidance to take decisions such as investing in a particular product category, opening a store in a particular location, different store promotions for driving sales of slow-moving merchandise. Whereas in case of a manufacturer, information technology provides the required data as an input to decide on what to produce and what not to produce. Retailer today not only sells the furniture set, but along with it, the insurance cover for the goods against theft, fires, damage. Retailer is able to take a spot decision based on the customer's credit rating, that is CIBIL, Credit Information Bureau India Limited. Now coming down to the three most important elements of the retail section, which is related to the IT, point of sale, barcoding system, and UPC. UPC symbol has two parts, machine readable barcode and human readable 12-digit UPC number. The human readable 12-digit UPC number manufacturer first 6-digit number is the manufacturer identification number, and the second next 5-digit number is the item number, and a person employed by the manufacturer called the UPC coordinator. Then coming down to RFID, that is radio frequency identification tags, are the codes because the tags have read and write capabilities. Data stored on RFID tags can be changed, updated, and logged. RFID tags are able to cope with harsh and dirty environments. There are other in IT applications, that is digital signage, signage, kiosk, internet and social networking, EPS system, which helps retailing section to boom up with the high ease and convenience at customer experience and the sales update. Benefits and impact of IT in retail, you can to increase the company's ability to respond, to collect and analyze customer data, to work effectively. Retailers need one system working across stores, and retailers are beginning to notice that technology's role is one of the enabler. Importance of IT in the retail sector. With the increasing globalization of the retailing, both in terms of point of sale and point of supply, the IT spends in the retail sector has increased significantly. But as we know that every coin has two sides, with the advantages and ease and benefits, we do have challenges in the IT section. Customer data, many retailers struggle with information overload. Retailers must increase transparency between the systems as well as obtain better tracking to integrate systems from manufacturers through to the consumer while obtaining customer sales information. Here, and due to RFID product coding, the entire supply chain has become more intelligent in the global data synchronization system. RFID tagging positions the company to be able to safeguard its shipments by allowing products to be tracked from manufacturer through the entire supply chain. You can see the benefits and challenges synchronizing each other and global data synchronization. Thank you, class. Here only. We will meet with the next video. Thank you.